cooking breakfast, lunch, brunch. I think it's like 11. Is it 11 or 1?
Izzy's turning 17.
It's 1 o'clock, so we're making brunch.
It's you. I got it at Carmen.
Making fish and cream of wheat. Today I'm working, I'm doing Instacart. I made some beads so far. I posted some stuff on Marketplace, including these things that I want to sell. I get these from my job, so I'm like, I need to rack up on those and sell them, and for a cheaper price, a cheaper price. So that's what we're up to today, trying to make some money. Yeah, so I'll see you around. Oh, then later on today, Cinco de Mayo, so I'm going to the park with the queers.
Yeah, we mind blowing.
So I'll see you then.
He's a client. He's been by
And I still have some leftover stuff for a salad. So I'll probably eat a salad and the other piece of fish later. So I'm making 2 pieces of fish. And then tomorrow I'm gonna need lunch, so I'm gonna make some rice. And then I have shrimp. So maybe I'll make some cilantro rice and shrimp and spinach. That sounds good. I low-key wanted to go to the park, but then I low-key didn't. But now I'm here at Michael's picking up some things for this order I have. It's 5 o'clock. The park is from 2 to 7. I'm an hour away, so I think it's really unnecessary for me to even attempt to go now. But like, now that I'm outside, I'm like, dang, I kind of want to go to the park because the weather is getting better because the sun is going down, so it's not as hot. But I done missed my opportunity, I guess. Okay, I'll get over it. I'll get over it. So we want to see what they got. Oh, 60% off. We love a good 60% off. Let's go shopping. Well, I'm glad I didn't go to the park. It's boring. Okay, this is what we got thus far. She's going for like pink, green, blue, and neutral colors. So we just want to make sure this don't accumulate to $50 because that's crazy. This is not fun. I parked so far. Great. Got these long behind pants on. How exciting. It's just running the rain. Oh God, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold. I stepped in the biggest puddle. Oh my god. Oh my god, why did I step in the biggest puddle? Look at the biggest puddle. My feet went right up in there. I don't even know if y'all seen it. My feet wet, my pants wet. At least I ain't at the damn park. Comfortable. Having to run my ass to the car. Well, we didn't spend $50, but we spent $30. And I honestly was okay with it because I'm like, listen. First of all, $60% off is not that bad. Let me just show y'all one of the things that I was like, oh, I should get another one of these. This one was only $2. This cute little thing is only $2. So what I'll do is I won't use all of them. Some of them I will though, like this. I'm gonna use as a whole bracelet. This one I'm gonna use as a bracelet. This one I'm gonna use as a bracelet. But the other ones, like I got this. I got this. This. And I feel like I may get a cheaper, like a better bargain buying off of Amazon, just a cluster of stuff. But I felt like because I'm not there yet, like I don't have a whole bunch of clientele, I might have like one order a week type thing. I don't know if it's like necessary because everybody be wanting different things, different colors and stuff like that. So I don't know. I'm gonna look into Amazon. But this whole thing I bought like 20 items. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I bought 10 items for $30. I wanted to send some of it back, but I'm just like, it's okay. I want to make sure she likes the things that she's getting. So I bought enough for me not to have to go back to the store. Even though she hasn't made her waist bead purchase yet, I did end up contacting her and letting her know, like, hey, I have these three waist beads done. I was just like, which waist bead do you want me to send with your order? Kind of like, hey, I'm sending your order off tomorrow. Go, Wolf. Hey, bum rush us. I was like, I'm sending your order off tomorrow. Which waist bead do you want to go with the order? So she told me, and then she was like, yeah, I'm getting ready to send you the rest of the money. I was like, okay, well, tomorrow I'll send out her order, and this is going to either be with 5 waist beads or 1, you know? No pressure. I just want to make sure we kind of like on the same page, but yeah, I'm really excited to make her order now that I have more teams to work with. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Gonna go home. I was doing Instacart, but as you see, I'm not gonna be doing Instacart no more unless they paying $100, maybe even $70. I'll even come out for $70. But $30, it depends. It depends. That's my minimum lately, so it really depends. But yeah, yeah, that's what's going on. I'm finna go home and make some beef. I gotta make my food for tomorrow, make some rice and things. Oh, and people want to buy some of the repellent that I had got from my job, so that's exciting because that's like over $100 in itself. So I'm supposed to be selling that tomorrow. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Your girl just made a quick little lunch for tomorrow. I made pre-cooked shrimp, spinach, and cilantro rice again. I was gonna show y'all, but I was on a mission to get it done because it's already 10. It's already 9:30, and I wanna be asleep by 10:30. So I'm finna finish these bracelets I gotta do, and then get in the shower and then get in bed. I have like, really I only have, how many I got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I really only have 4 more to do, but I think I'm gonna make like 6 more, only because, oh, I gotta do my Spanish. Only because I feel like some of them like aren't really her style, so they're kind of like freebies, just to give, you know, just to give them to her. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this really quick. I think this is so cute. They're 2 individual ones, but then if you put them together, I don't know how to show y'all. It's cute. Anyway, I'm tired, as you can tell. So I'm finna go and figure this shit out. Figure this shit's not here. Good night. See y'all tomorrow. Okay, this is 1. This is 1. Cute.